Introducing the Sharp 1.4 cubic foot 1000 watt stainless steel smart carousel countertop microwave oven that works with Alexa for hands-free operation using voice commands. This family-sized microwave oven is precisely tuned and certified by the leader in microwave popcorn, Orville Redenbacher's, to deliver optimal flavor, aroma, and texture. Simply touch the popcorn button to choose the classic size or single-serve mini bag of Orville Redenbacher's microwave popcorn, or speak to your Amazon Echo device. Just ask Alexa, "Alexa, microwave classic popcorn." Then sit back and enjoy the light and fluffy popcorn with the delicious buttery flavor of Orville Redenbacher's gourmet popping corn. When paired with a compatible Echo device, your Amazon Smart Oven allows for voice-controlled cooking with Alexa. Explore voice-controlled cooking with Alexa with over 70 convenient and simple voice commands that help you make the most of what this microwave has to offer when paired with your Amazon Echo device. What could be easier than just asking, "Alexa, defrost 1 pound of chicken" to your Amazon Echo device? Our wide selection of Alexa commands, sensor cook, and defrost menu items take the guesswork out of cooking. The plus 30-second key works as both an instant start option and allows you to add more time during cooking. And the carousel turntable system makes reheating your favorite foods, snacks, and beverages a breeze. The easy-to-clean modern brushed stainless steel finish complements your style, and the extra-large, easy-to-read white LED display will always be set to the correct time once your microwave is connected to Wi-Fi. With decades of experience designing innovative cooking appliances, it's easy to see why home cooks throughout the world trust Sharp Carousel. Introducing the world's first smart microwave drawer by Sharp. Pair the SMD2489ES with the Sharp Kitchen mobile app to enable the smart features and remote control. Tasks that may seem challenging from the control panel are now simple and easy with the Sharp Kitchen app. Simply select Manual or Smart Cook and follow along. Choose to defrost ground beef, simply enter the weight with clear and convenient controls and press Start. The smart microwave drawer from Sharp is roomy enough for a 4-quart casserole dish, and the manual cook feature of the Sharp Kitchen app makes even your most elaborate entertaining a breeze. Quickly set cooking time and power levels to keep your event on track. The Sharp microwave drawer oven features a concealed touch glass control panel that smoothly opens to a convenient 45-degree angle. Easily add finishing touches to your dishes without removing them from the oven. Sharp's patented Easy Touch automatic drawer system smoothly closes the drawer, making it simple to avoid messy spills. When done, simply reach in with both hands to safely remove your dish from the oven. Everything seems to come together at the last minute, and shortcuts can really help. Save up to 18 of your go-to Smart Cook items in the Favorites section. Syrup cold? The smart microwave drawer from Sharp works with you, keeping control in the palm of your hands, even if you're running out of hands. Hands dirty? Wearing an oven mitt? Sharp's Easy Wave technology opens the drawer with a simple wave. And a gentle nudge of encouragement is all you need for the drawer to smoothly glide closed.
Your Panasonic microwave or combi microwave may have an auto wait feature. Auto wait features can be used for reheating, cooking or defrosting. And in this case I'm going to show you how easy it is to reheat a typical supermarket ready meal. In this oven here I've got a list of all the options written on the inside of the door, but your model may have them on a scrolling auto guide or may have them listed on the control panel. Here I've got the option for chilled meal, so I need to set my auto cook to program 4 for chilled meal. So here's the meal ready to go in, and all I need to do is pierce the film and put it inside the microwave oven on the turntable. The information I now need is on the packaging, and that's the weight. So I'm going to enter in the weight onto the oven, and that comes to 400 grams. So I've entered in the weight, and now all I need to do is press start. And the reheating time for that chilled meal has now been calculated for me, and it's counting down in the display window. So I've not had to guess the time or try and interpret the packaging instructions, and I've not had to look up in the operating manual which microwave power to cook the meal on. It's all been worked out for me just by selecting the correct category and entering the weight. Auto Wait Cook can also be used on fresh foods, not just ready meals that you've bought from the supermarket. In here I've got some fish parcels, some cod fillets with herbs and tomato already in their parcels, and I've put them on my weighing scales and they weigh 180 grams each. So if I put them both on the cooking dish, put them in the microwave oven on the turntable, and then we select Auto Wait Cook for fresh fish, which is on program 7. And again I need to enter in the total weight of the fish. So using the dial I can put in 360 grams, which is the total weight of the 2 fish parcels, and then press the start pad, and the time of 5 minutes and 3 seconds comes up in the window. Fish is always a tricky one to get right in your microwave, and it's always quite easy to overcook. So by cooking it on auto wait, entering in the correct weight, you'll be guaranteed you'll have perfect results.
Combination microwave oven with steam is more than just a microwave. It's also an oven, a grill, and it will steam your vegetables, fish, anything that you'd like to steam right inside the microwave. It comes with a Crunch grill pan. That ribbed grill pan ensures that your pizza crusts are cooked evenly and are crispy on the bottom while your pizza tastes cheesy on the top. The top of the combination microwave has elements for grilling, and that's also where the steam is ejected onto your food. It also comes with an included wire rack. Below the microwave is a water reservoir, and you fill up that water reservoir and it ejects steam into your food, or onto your food. And you can use the steam function when you have it full, or you can just use the steam burst function and add a little bit of moisture to whatever you're cooking. There are 23 different functions of this microwave in all, but the one you may find the most intriguing is the steam function. There are a variety of preset steam menu options, and you can find them all in the included manual. You can use this just like you'd use any other microwave, only it's really easy with this one to set the power wattage that you'd like to use. There's also built-in settings for turbo defrost, as well as grilling, so you can grill meat right within the microwave and it will come out perfect. The combination settings allow you to use steam within your oven, or steam within your microwave, or steam when you're grilling. I decided I was going to test out the Panasonic combination microwave by using the oven and steam, and I did that making a banana bread. I combined everything just like I always do, put it in a loaf pan with parchment paper, and preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Once it was in the oven, I set the timer for an hour, and then I just kind of stood by and watched. What I did do, though, at different intervals within the cooking process was to add steam. And you can do that just by holding down the steam button for a few seconds and choosing the different intervals. So I chose 2 minutes the first time, 3 minutes the next, and it continually injected steam into what I was baking. After an hour in the oven, I had a golden loaf of banana bread. It was slightly browner overall than I'm used to when I bake banana bread, but the taste was amazing. Make sure that you keep the cooking manual handy when you're using this microwave combination steam oven. It has everything detailed in there about how to use it and what to use it for. There's also an included recipe book with tons of great ideas for how you can use this microwave combination oven. Thanks for watching. You can see my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.
A great kitchen doesn't just need a good refrigerator, but also a really good microwave oven. A smart oven to be exact. This thing doesn't just heat your food, you can bake, grill, slim fry, and steam in this. I used to fry the kids' chicken nuggets, but ever since I got this, I just slim fry them here now. Any microwave can heat food, but my smart oven can bake. Okay, let's check it out. Woo! Wow, wowee. Okay, let's see how it cooked inside. Let's get steaming! Drew loves his steak, so we're gonna cook that in here as well. With Christmas right around the corner, the smart oven will be the perfect little helper in the kitchen this Noche Buena.